fruits, come sing with me. From around the world, so tasty and free. Mango is sweet, pineapple too. Papaya is orange, yum to chew. Dragon fruit pink with spots so neat. Passion fruit makes a tangy treat. Fruits give us power, help us grow. Sing their names nice and slow. Happy fruit, sing out loud. Healthy eating makes us proud. Red and yellow, green and blue. Fruits are fun and good for you. Happy fruits, clap and sway. Eat the rainbow every day. Crunch and munch, smile so bright. Happy fruits are a healthy delight. Lychee is juicy, guava too. Kiwi is green with a fuzzy hue. Star fruit shines like a star up high. Rambutan looks funny, give it a try. Durian strong, jackfruit big. Mangosteen purple, dance a jig. So many fruits from far away. Let's sing their names again today. Happy fruit, sing out loud. Healthy eating makes us proud. Big or small, sweet or tart. Fruits help our bodies, minds and hearts. Persimmon, orange, soft and sweet. Acerola, cherry, tiny treat. That's 15 fruits, we did it, hooray! Healthy choices every day. Happy fruits, jump and cheer. Healthy food brings happy cheer. Wash, peel, bite and chew. Happy